good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video. You guys, I'm in my bedroom because today's video is gonna be, as you could see by the title, another PR unboxing video. You guys actually liked the last PR unboxing that I did, so I decided again to do another one. If the audio sounds a bit different, you guys, it's because little Miss Sage here decided to chew up mommy's mic. So you guys, I have to replace my damn mic now. Amazing. Love that for me. So I'm actually going to record the audio through my AirPods. Hopefully it works. I wanted to give you guys this video right before we jump into the Primadonna Halloween series. I'm so excited for Halloween, you guys. I do have a few looks that I am about to bust out. Your girl is about to fucking go off, okay? So y'all already know my time to shine is always Halloween. Y'all know. That's just my time. But anyways, I didn't want to just like hitch out with a random ass Halloween video. So I'm so backed up on PR. I'm gonna actually insert a clip. This is literally just the PR that was like coming in from this week. But yeah, if you guys want to see me unbox all of my PR packages, then you already know what to do. Definitely keep on watching. But yeah, let's jump straight into this video because I actually got to go to the Halloween store after this. So I'm at hype. So let's just open up some packages so we can be up out of here. Okay. I am so sorry about the camera with the autofocus. I need to have the autofocus on because I move too much. But girl, I am so over the whole in and out shit too. Like, y'all don't understand how much that shit drives me crazy even when I'm editing it. Actually, hold on. Because if I could put some shit right where my head would be at, which is right here. Hold on. Guys, I got my handy dandy scissors right here. And bitch, we about to jump into these boxes. So first box, I kind of like already opened from, hold on, girl. This box is from Essence. Okay, so groove into our new mini eyeshadow palettes from Essence, you guys. And it literally looks like a little boombox. How cute is this? Ooh, this is cute. So yeah, this is what this is giving. This is really, really cute. You guys like this like huge background? I'm like sitting right in front of my bed and I feel like I have so much space right now to just open up Mash box. Okay, so next box is from Benefits. PR looks like I did get 2 pomades and they did include like a little duo ended brush, which is clutch. And they did send me number 5 and number 4.5. It's just like their cute little pomade. But what makes this actually like super unique to me is that this kind of has like a little place where you could scoop the additional product and you're not wasting it. So it kind of has like a little placement for you to, you know, slide the product right there on the brush. You know what I'm talking about? I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. Just kind of like put all of the makeup into one box and then now I can get rid of this one. So next package is from Urban Decay. Urban Decay, when I worked at Sephora, used to literally be like one of my favorite brands. I just felt like their brand was just so fun with the packaging and everything like that. And it's just literally like a dream come true, like I said, to like actually be on the PR list nowadays. Ooh, okay. So from Urban Decay, I did get the new Cyber palette. Ooh, you guys, this looks gorgeous. Ah, look at this. Oh, I love this packaging. Oh, wow. That is like literally like robotic and it looks like all like mechanical and computerized. This is what the back of it looks like. Oh, she is beautiful. Wow. Do you guys see that packaging? Bitch, yes. Little star, the show moment over on Instagram. Because, honey, this is cute. This is really cute. It also gets a eyeshadow primer potion in the original shade. And I also did get the Perversion volumizing mascara, which I love. And then I also did get a 27 glide on eye pencil in the shade Rockstar, which is like a deep maroon purple color. Perfect for fall time, you guys. But yeah, I've actually been into colored liners lately. Not necessarily just always wearing black. Like right now I do have kind of like a deep wine brown in my waterline and it looks so like vampy. I love it. Package is from Morphe and it is the bigger and better, and the influencer that is on this campaign is Miss Daisy Marquez. I love Daisy. Oh my gosh, she is so stunning. But yeah, you guys, this collection did come with now the eyeliner, the Make It Big Lip Plumping Gloss and the Make It Big Volumizing Mascara. And then I also did get some of the Make It Big other glosses. But of course, I love the clear. I love me a clear plumping gloss. Oh, wait, time out. There's more shades down there, girl. Time out. You guys, the eyeliner looks so good. Yes. Make it big. Oh, okay, honey. Next, okay, so the next PR from Morphe is the Ashley Strong collection. Oh my god. I didn't even expect to get this in PR. Look at Ashley, you guys. If you don't know who is Ashley Strong, she's actually the influencer that won in the competition Instant Influencer from James Charles. It was like a little internet makeup competition series. So yeah, this is the winner, and you guys, she got to do a collaboration with Morphe, and oh my god, look at how stunning is this PR package. Yes. As well. And yeah, you guys, so she does have her Artistry palette as well as her Cake Liner palette. Oh, okay, and then we also do have some lip glosses and liners. So I will definitely be testing all of this out in a testing hot new video definitely soon. I want to get on these Halloween tutorials, you guys, because if y'all don't know, Autumn's birthday is also in the month of October. So my baby, literally her birthday was the first week of October. So once Autumn's birthday was done, I was like, all right, let's start focusing on Halloween. But nonetheless, this is the palette, you guys. I love the packaging. And I love how it opens like that. Oh, wow. So, yeah, I'm going to be honest. I'm not really crazy about the whole color story. I feel like it is very, like, muted, I should say. But there is definitely some eye-catching colors. And, girl, y'all know me. I'm the prima donna. I can make a look out of anything. So, if you guys actually do like this palette, because, like I said, it's just my personal opinion. If you guys like this palette, then, hey, girl, it's a cute palette. But, like I said, I could definitely create a look with it if you guys want to see that. So just let me know. Let me know. From ColourPop. And let's see what we got from Miss ColourPop. New Jewel Me Once collection. And I just love opening every ColourPop PR box because, girl, like their PR is so like popping. I will say that. Like they go all out. So yeah, this is the Jewels Out collection, which includes a eyeshadow palette. I believe it's a nude. Okay, wait. What is this? What is this? Proof eye primers. So it's translucent, deep, and caramel. So that's what the eye primers look like. This is what the palette looks like, you guys. It says Play It Jewel, and it literally looks like jewels. I love this. If you guys are into jewels and crystals, packaging wise, this is actually really hot. So this is what the palette is giving. And oh wow, this is actually really fucking pretty. Gag. Okay, I fuck with this a lot. Okay. Okay, yes, I like this. We poppin'. Okay. Next package is from Maven Beauty, which is actually Fashion Nova's cosmetics brand. So if you guys have not checked out anything of Maven Beauty, their brand is actually so good. So yeah, this is what the Maven. So yeah, this is what the Maven Beauty PR box looks like. And I did get the new, I think this is the 3D, let me see. The new 3D cheek powders. And wow, you guys, these blushes look gorgeous. I already see like a few shades that I'm already about to go hard on. Because this shade range, as far as blushes, is bomb. This is what the actual packaging is giving. It has a little clear Maven Beauty M, and then it says Maven right there. Oh, it's actually like a 3D blush. The M definitely pops out. Oh, this is such a cute color. And they definitely feel like a nice matte blush. Definitely super pigmented. And they also did give me a little fan brush as well. Next box is from Lawless. I'm so excited to be on the PR for this. I'm actually new to the Lawless PR family. In that, you kind of have like this little box. Wow, this looks beautiful. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so Beautiful. Okay, wait. So I do have 3 shades of their new long wear foundation, as well as their foundation brush. Long lasting full coverage foundation. Okay, and then at the bottom I did get their long wear setting spray. Do you guys see this? PR is so cute. Tama, why I didn't even realize that it has my name? Oh my god, gag. Wow, thank you so much. This whole like box is so luxe and so pretty. I'm so grateful. Wow. Okay. Next package is from Glamlight, you guys. And I actually ordered this. This is why this is mixed with these boxes. So yeah, I actually ordered the damn Michaela palette. And can you believe that this shit just came? Mind you, I think this palette launched like what, 2-3 months ago now? Girl, like I'm talking about the beginning of summer. So Glamlight, I'm not gonna lie, y'all kind of pissed me off. Kind of pissed me off with this, but nonetheless, I'm dumb hyped to finally have the palette in my hands. So yeah, girl, it was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. Not gonna lie, I'm a little salty because I'm an impatient ass bitch. But it was worth the wait. Oh my god, look at Michaela's ass right there on the palette. Okay, girl. And finally have this baby in my hands. Finally want to see a look with using the Michaela palette. Girl, I've been dying to film and play with this. Oh my god, look how pretty. Michaela did that. And I'm not even going to lie, I have the perfect look that I want to use with this. Oh my god, this is giving me prom. Definitely giving me prom. This is what this looks like. And this is such a beautiful palette. Like, look how pretty. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Next package is from KARABEAUTY. I love me some KARABEAUTY. By the way, you guys, all of my coupon codes are always listed in the description box. So if you guys want to check out any of these products that I'm showing you and putting y'all onto right now that I got in PR, girl, save you some money, girl. This PR package comes with the perfectly defined powder contour palette and the finishing powder. The perfectly defined contour palette. I really like the packaging for this. It's giving me very KKW vibes. But ooh, that is nice. And I love how big is the pan size. So if you guys are a makeup artist and you're looking for a nice contour palette to travel with, that is universal, that is going to fit one and done, a bunch of skin tones, like girl, this is super good. And KARABEAUTY is affordable, so girl, you better get it together, get it together. This is the Defined Complexion Pressed Powder. So this is going to be amazing to set your face or to set your under eyes. Ooh, this is really pretty as well. So yeah, this is going to, like I said, be used to set your foundation and whatnot. And like I said, it's just perfectly thought out for makeup artists. So yeah, definitely check these out. So I do have 3 new glitter palettes from KARABEAUTY as well, and these are what these are giving. This one is more of like a blue. Let me go on this side. This one is more like a blue tone glitter. Then we have like more of the fun hot pink purple glitters here, and then these are more of like your neutral tones, golds and bronze ones here. So yeah, if you're looking for like a nice little pressed glitter palette, these are really cute, and I like the packaging on those as well. Let's jump back into Morphe. Okay, I'm like being so reckless with these scissors. It's like ridiculous. Okay, I'm trying to get shit open in this bitch. Period. Ooh, okay. So Morphe actually did send me some products from Jaclyn Hill. I actually have a little Jaclyn PR. So yeah, we have the new Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette. So, ooh, I'm so excited for this, you guys, because she just came out with this palette. And a lot of people were like coming at her on Instagram, but it's like, girl, Jaclyn Hill knows her neutrals. And just like I knew, she was not about to disappoint. Do you guys see how chocolatey and rich each one of these browns look? Like, it's not giving me ashy. And that's what we need. That's what we like. That's what we want from Miss Jaclyn. So yeah, I'm super excited about this palette. And like I said, a perfect fall palette. So did get the Eye Master eye brush collection, which if you guys do not have this Jaclyn Hill eye brush set, girl. But now I'm hyped because now I have a backup. So yeah. And look how pretty and sparkly is the case. Ooh, my jacket is like It's just coming off. I'm just looking a hot mess right now. Okay, so the next Morphe package, the last one. More stuff from Jaclyn Hill. I did get, is this another? The Master Brightening Collection. This one does come with a sponge, and this one has more of like face complexion, more bigger brushes. Get one of her hydrating under eye primers, and I'm so excited to try this. And then I also did get her under eye powder in the shade Brightening Pink. So yeah, like I said, you guys, we have a lot to try in our new testing hot new video. Hello? Yeah, what's up? I'm opening the last 3 boxes. Okay, that's perfect. I'm dressed already. Are you ready for the next level? Lashes playing the long game. Okay, so I think we got some lashes. Level Up Lengthening Mascara. Oh, okay, so I did receive 3 of them. Hold on, let me get my life together. So I did get 3 of the Level Up lengthening mascaras, and I did get black, brown, and oh wait, there actually is a burgundy one. Hold on, girl. A burgundy mascara for fall. Bitch, that's a look. That is a look. Oh, this is pretty. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Let's see what this is. This box looks so cute. Okay, this is the Party Like It's 1999 collection. This is actually really cute. So in this collection, you do get a palette. You do also get lip plumping gloss, lip crayons, a super shock, and a super shock shadow. Ooh, and I did get crystals. You guys, look how pretty these are. So definitely these are clutch for Halloween. I also did get little butterfly clips for my hair. I like that ColourPop and the PR. They kind of like give you extra little fun stuff to like create a whole look, like, you know, just to get you in the vibe. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Like, yes, give me some fucking accessories. What the collection looks like and all of the products there. So yeah, the eyeshadow palettes, let me just open it for you guys. It's kind of like one of those smaller palettes. This is actually really pretty. And that hot pink right there is actually really cute. I don't know, what do you guys think of the packaging of like these ColourPop palettes? Don't get me wrong, they definitely feel more on the cheaper side, but not everybody likes, you know, like a big ass palette, especially if you're traveling. I honestly always look for the smaller shit to travel with, because I don't be wanting to take too much big ass stuff. Last but not least is a PR box from Pixi. Okay, I'm obsessed with Pixi skincare, so they actually did give me the new Remedy mask. Rose, the Soothing, and the Brightening, and these are all like toning jelly masks. I'm dumb excited to try this, and I've actually been trying to like switch up my skincare products. So yeah, I'm actually gonna do an updated skincare video pretty soon. But yeah, you guys, that was everything that I had to show you guys in today's PR unboxing. I know it was massive. You guys have to see what the heck my room looks like, but nonetheless, thank you guys for helping me declutter some of my PR and helping me discover what the hell is new. So yeah, thank you guys so much. If you guys do enjoy PR unboxing videos, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, guys, bye. But let me know in the comments if y'all want to see this makeup look, because it's cute and it's serving and it's giving fall. It's giving fall soft glam. Yes. Okay, bye.